Well, welcome to the mix. And we have here today Dwayne. As he said, enough is enough. There was a paper that Dwayne had to sign, and now it's going into legal hands. So Dwayne does not want to speak about it, but go ahead and listen to what he has to say about these papers. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel as I give you more and more on these new topics that's coming in every day. Have a wonderful one.
I took some funds from them. They gave me to give someone. However, I'm very sure I gave it to the person. I provided evidence that I even gave it to the person. The person claimed they didn't get the money. So I thought, you know what? Just to cut a long story short and to be at peace, what I've done, I gave them back the 100 they gave me. And I also gave them they gave me £50 for myself as well. I gave it back to them as well. Fast forward to 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago. I saw an unknown number calling me. So I'm like, hold on, why is this person calling me continuously? So when I just answered the phone call, it was a person who I was in contact with in April, right? And they said some things to me about this person who made false allegations, whatever, and they wanted to come to my home. And I'm like, listen, you can come tomorrow. But after hearing what they had to say, I said, listen, no, just come now. Just come now, right? I called my mom, and my mom came. They both came, and we sat down and we talked. And basically, the basis of the conversation was to not speak to this person, not contact them, not do any post anything about them on social media. Never once did I ever post anything about that person anyway. Never once. The only thing I showed was the monies I sent back to her on my live that she claimed I didn't send to persons, when I even showed her evidence that I did send the money. And I blocked her. So I don't understand why that person felt it necessary. You know what? It was brought to my knowledge that they are trying to play the race card, saying the man wasn't doing his job. However, the man did do his job. He did his job. It's just that she wasn't happy with the outcome of what happened in that whole issue, and she felt like she could do. That person. You know who you are. They told so much lies, guys. So much lies, and in the end, we ended up just resolving it there and then by signing a community resolution, this something, some paper, right? And that was the end of it. But that's not the end of it. It's not the end of it. Not for me anyway. Maybe it is the end of it for them, but for me, it is not. Right? Some people are making it seem as if they are the force behind. Yes, that chin crazy as hell. Listen, I swear to you, that chin, that person, they are suffering from something. I don't know what they're suffering from, but they're suffering from something. And I genuinely feel sorry for them. I really do. I really feel sorry for that person. I won't even call their name because their name isn't worth calling out of my mouth. My life is blessed over here. I have no complaints over here. None at all. You have to know what you sign. No. We read it thoroughly. Don. Don't worry yourself. We read it thoroughly, and just to put an end to it, it was a right thing to do. Hi. What's up? Mm-hmm. Do you want to talk on the live? Yeah, talk. You're on the live.
I'm on the live now.
Yeah, you're on the live now.
Okay. You guys that are on the live, ask asking Dwayne if someone came to him and what transpired. The reality of this is that the person who was in the mediation, whatever it is, with Dwayne.
There was no mediation. There was no mediation.
You know, who sat with you and talked with you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And that person who shared that information with somebody else, and that other person.
Be careful. Be careful what you say. Hold on. Be careful what you say.
No, I'm not gonna call any name, man. I'm not gonna call any names. And that person shared the information on social media, putting different allegations to it. This is now a legal matter. So the less Dwayne, I know some of you guys are curious and want to know what's going on, but the less Dwayne says about it right now, the better it is for him. And eventually, you guys will know the outcome. But I can say 100% that Dwayne has not stolen anything. Dwayne is not a thief. And for now, you know, I know you guys are concerned, but for now, let's just leave it there because it's going to become a very serious matter and certain things cannot be discussed. So I just hope I help you out there a little, Dwayne.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, hon.
Take care. Bye.
All right.
Listen, just know it is all being handled with the right channels, right? To be quite frank, my life was put in jeopardy by people to which I don't know from a can of paint. I don't know none of these people. I've only ever had encounters with this person one time and one time only, to which I'm very sure I can prove categorically I gave them back their funds that I'm very sure I gave to these people, right? But that's not the point. The point is what transpired after that, right? What transpired after that should have never happened under no circumstances, right? And now my life, I feel like I'm threatened. I feel like my whole life is put at risk.